Yes. Let's jump into the week here. So what better way to set us up for the week than to take a look at some of the upcoming fundamental events. There's really not too much on the schedule this week. I'm gonna go through this really quick. You guys let me know what's on your radar for the week in the comments there. On Sunday here, we don't really have too much. Tomorrow we have some ISM manufacturing PMI numbers. Tuesday we do have interest rate decision out of Australia. That will be a interesting volatility spike there. You also have JOLTS job opening numbers and balance trade for the euro. Wednesday we are looking at, again, balance of trade numbers for the USD and Canada, as well as Australia later in that day, as well as some more PMI numbers for non-manufacturing. On Thursday, we're looking at unemployment rate for the CAD, as well as the PMI numbers. And then on Friday, a favorite of most people's NFP, non-farm payroll, and the unemployment rates, which I know is something we'll be taking a look at as well for some of our macro bias. But that basically sums up the week here for April 2nd to the 7th. Let me know again in the comments what you guys are looking at yourselves, and let's take a look. For me, I'm probably gonna really be looking at, honestly, probably nothing up until the unemployment rate. I'm not really interested in any of this other stuff. Again, interest rate out of Australia, not really gonna concern me. I don't trade too many Australian pairs. It will be interesting to see what they do as a whole from, like, you know, a central bank standpoint. Outside of that, I won't really look for trading opportunities around it, but I'll be really interested in NFP on Friday, as well as the unemployment rate. As you guys know or may not know, depending if you're in the premium part of our community or not, is I'm really looking at this spike here in NFP that we had recently got, right? So this kind of spike here where we got the 504 reading, right? The above 500K reading. Again, I kind of let people know, you know, when we were looking at this last month, what to kind of expect, whether or not you'll actually get like follow through on this, right? We saw big market volatility behind this, and I said it's going to be really hard to kind of match that kind of number. You can even see when it's happened previously. Typically, it doesn't return to like the you know, the average here. You can't just really keep producing numbers like that. Usually it's not sustainable, and if it is going to be sustainable, usually, you know, your first signal that you're looking for there is, you know, the back-to-back. So the fact that we didn't get the back-to-back on over 500K, again, I'm going to expect this to kind of just return back to the average here. Maybe we do see some upticks. That's definitely a possibility. You know, we'll have to see, you know, how this begins to trend now that we've had kind of like a crazy spike just 2 months ago. But NFP will be kind of what I'll be looking at. Friday is also Good Friday, which actually is a holiday for a lot of countries. There are quite a few holidays this week. Obviously, China is in holiday all week, so you have that up until, again, Good Friday, which, again, is obviously going to be affecting a lot of countries. So interesting, again, that NFP is going to come out on Good Friday. I actually don't know if I've ever specifically witnessed this to say what to expect, but again, we're more interested in the numbers, right? Not really the volatility of Friday. I could care less about the volatility of Friday. It's the numbers for me. PMI for the pound. Yeah, that could be a good one too, again, for the GJ traders. There might be some volatility there. Yeah, PMI final. Yeah, again, that could be another event that if you're looking at, I'll be personally taking a look at GJ.